Pickett here, founder of Pickett Virtual Services and creator of the Profitable VA. I'm so excited to see you and so excited that you decided to hang out with me during this mastermind class on how to get started as a virtual assistant. I have so much juicy stuff in store for you, and I can't wait to dig in and get you on the right track towards becoming a VA. In this class, we will cover how to discover your skill set and what services you will offer to your clients, how to determine your rates and packaging, and how to find clients. Plus, I'll give you some awesome examples of the methods that I used to find my own VA clients. I understand where you are because I was there, exactly where you are now. I wanted to become a VA but didn't know where or how to start. I was going in circles and I was in information overload. But once I figured it out, I was able to make my first 5K month and 8K month and beyond. And I was able to turn my VA business into a successful OBM firm with an incredible team to support me. And I want to help you build and grow your own VA business as well. So make sure that during this class, you are in a nice quiet space where you can listen with no interruptions, take it all in, grab a notebook and pen because I'll be giving you actionable tips and assignments so that after you leave this mastermind, you'll have an actual plan to implement and start getting clients and making money. It's going to be so good, and I'm so excited to have you join me. Be sure to check your inbox for update emails from me, and I can't wait to see you in class.